So every single step that it takes to go towards your goal starts with a dream or an idea that you have in your mind or in your heart. But the goal itself is not the main thing. The goal should be a byproduct of who you become in the process. So we're going to talk about a few of the qualities and characteristics that it takes for you to transform yourself with in order for you to be someone who reaches your goals. You need to be determined, persistent. You need to have resilience. You have to be able to bounce back from the setbacks and the failures that will be in front of you. A massive amount of self-discipline, being able to establish and stick to routines that sometimes you may not really want to do, but you need to get them done. Confidence. By having confidence in yourself, it actually boosts your capabilities. Overcoming problems or problem solving is incredible for this. An immense amount of time management and understanding on how to be able to prioritize your activity. Focus and concentration. Adaptability. Things are going to happen that you may not have been able to account for. You have to be able to be fluid. You have to have patience. You have to understand that although you set a goal, it may not happen in the time frame that you have wanted for yourself because things change. Goals need to be flexible. Optimism. You need to be able to have a positive outlook because there are going to be different things that are going to